This is a song request from our followers. This is from Bush Glycerin, which is standard E tuning, and then this is very easy riffs lang siya eh. So mga power chords lang. So it's this one is F, C5, D5, and then B flat 5. So ganun lang kadali. So it's very easy. So this four chords lang yung lalaruin natin, which we played with. So this is the intro. By the way, I use clean tone lang, so you can easily get with it. Pero dun sa song, naka distortion sila na low gain lang, like this. So ito yung this one, this the intro. It's F5, this one, and then C5, D5, move one high, it's D5, then B flat 5, slow. And then the other riff, yung isang riff pa is from chorus, and then F5, C5, and then B flat 5. So for the chorus, these three chords only. So the same pattern lang sila, yun lang yung pinagkaiba. Ito yung tatlong, the three notes, it's F5, C5, and then D flat 5. For the bridge part, D5 lang siya, it's D5, and then B flat 5. That's it. So sana makatulong. Pero madali lang to. It's a very easy riffs lang siya. So just take practice lang. So matututo rin kayo dun sa mga power chords. Yun lang. So thank you very much for watching, and then more guitar tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.